Welcome to aminacademy.com. In chemistry, let us discuss about mole and Avogadros number. Some introduction will do. First, we will discuss about mole, a standard scientific unit for measuring large quantities of very small entities such as atoms, molecules, or other specified particles. The mole designates an extremely large number of units. In SI unit, used to measure the amount of substance whose number of particles is the same as the number of atoms of carbon is exactly 12 gram of carbon 12. That means any substance equivalent mass of carbon 12, that is exactly 12 gram of carbon 12, that is a mole of that substance. Next is a molar mass, the mass in grams of 1 mole of a substance. It may be a gram mole or kg mole. We know that atoms, ions and molecules are very small. So even tiny samples have a huge number of particles. To make counting such large numbers easier, scientists and chemists use the same approach to represent the number of ions or molecules in a sample as they use for atoms. The SI units for amount is called a mole. The number of particles in a mole is called Avogadros number. Now let us discuss about Avogadro number. A number of units in 1 mole of any substance defined as its molecular weight in grams. It's equal to 6.022140076 into 10 raised to 23. 10 raised to power 23. The unit may be electrons, ions, atoms or molecules depending on the number of the substance and the character of the reaction, if any. Here the Avogadro number is a constant. Such a big number, we can write approximately this as 6.022 into 10 power 23. That means 1 mole of any substance have this number of atoms or ions or molecules depending on the substance. Here that means for the, we'll see one more time, that mole is a standard scientific unit for measuring large quantities of very small entities such as atoms, molecules or other specified particles. The mole designates an extremely large number of units. Here that actually what is mole? Mole is a equivalent mass of a molecular mass of that substance. For example, H2O, look at here, the water, H2O. H2O, the molecular mass equal to 18. That means here 1 mole of water is equal to 18 grams. Therefore 1 mole of H2O equal 18 gram of H2O. That means if you take 18 gram is a representation of 1 mole of the water. If it is in kg, 18 kg of water have 1 kg mole of water. That Avogadro number is such a big number, that is number of units, that is number of atoms, ions or molecules equivalent to 1 mole of that substance. That means we can say 1 mole of water is that 18 gram of water contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of water molecules, that is atoms, you can say. That means here we understood about mole, molar Avogadro number and molar mass. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.